Oh, ciao, benvenuto, amici. Yes, this is Vito's Italian Cucina, and what I have here are the onions that I just harvested from my victory garden. These are the white onions. Look how gorgeous, look how beautiful these are. Makes me want to tear up. Or maybe it's the onions, I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and take care of these a little later. But I wanted to talk to you about something very special today that I'm very, very excited about here at the Cucina. We are all excited. Today, I'm able to offer you the Vito's Italian Cucina apron. Yes, look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? This is the one that I wear in the Cucina. And you could have it also. It's great for gifts. It's great just to give to somebody, you know what I mean? Just for cooking in the kitchen, like that. Let me go ahead and show you around the apron here, okay? Look at this material. It's cotton and polyester, easy to clean and wash. And look at this gorgeous embroidery. Oh my goodness, it's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. And then of course, we have the straps. Look at these straps. Look at these straps. These are just great. They will fit around you, I'm telling you, because if they fit around me, they'll fit around you. And then of course, we have these three great deep pockets right here, you know? I love it. I can lose my hand in there almost. Whoops. Don't forget about this beautiful styling bow tie. I love wearing this thing. And you're going to be styling too. The only thing it doesn't do is it doesn't spin, you know, like at the circus. I wish it would actually. That'd be more fun, wouldn't it? Anyway, I got to tell you, thank you for listening to this. I'm just doing this little pitch because it helps support the Vito's Italian Cucina site, okay? And this is great because your family, we consider all of you our family. So come to Vito's Italian Cucina and join in supporting us with love, laughter, music, and a lot of great recipes. You can go to our new website at vitositaliancucina.com. That's vitositaliancucina.com. And on that front page, you'll see a place where you can hit the tab and it'll take you to buying and purchasing this in the Cucina's name. And again, I thank you. Thank you for your support and all your subscriptions. Ciao for now. Salute. Mwah.